Now let's look at a CAT 2022 slot 1 question. Start the timer. Alex invested his savings in two parts, right? The simple interest earned on the first part at 15% per annum for 4 years is the same as the simple interest. Simple interest in both cases. So it's quite simple, right? Earned on the second part at 12% per annum for 3 years. The percentage of the savings invested in the first part is the principal I need to find as a percentage of the total, right? So P1 into 15% into 4 equals P2 into 12%, right? You can put it divide by 100 if you want instead of the percentage, right? 12 by 100 into 3 over here cancels, right? So what's P1 by P2, right? 15 4s are 60. You take it there, you get 36 by 60. Simplify, divide by 12, you get a 3 by 5. The total of 8 parts, P1 plus P2, that's the total savings. P1 over here is 3. What's 3/8 over here? 3/8 is 37.5%. I've told you to go through the percentages table, right? A bunch of them given to you, the percentages lesson at mockat.com. Some of these you should know. Can't be opening the calculator and spending a lot of time, right? So this is one of those simple questions in a not so super easy year, right? A reasonable CAT paper. And these are the ones you should not miss out on, right? So don't think that, a lot of numbers over here, the percentages look difficult. Not at all. It's quite simple, right? Know the concept, right? But simple interest only. Should not miss out on these questions.